Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Nginx as a load balancer with Docker Compose. For that, we are using the sample Python application as a backend and Nginx load balancer as a front end with its requirement files. So, let's start. First, we launch our Linux distro. After that, we create our working directory. Going inside that working directory, we are going to create 3 more directories: app1, app2, and Nginx. Now, we'll move into our app1 directory and create 3 files for our app1. First, we create Python application file for our app1, which will simply print an output saying this is app1. After that, we are creating a requirement file for our app1 in which we are installing supporting package for our app1. Last, we are creating Docker file for our app1 in which we are defining Python image which will be pulled from Docker Hub setting working directory and copying our app1 file with its requirement file. Now, we go to our app2 directory and do the same things as we did for our app1. After setting app1 and app2, we go to our Nginx directory and create configuration file for Nginx load balancing on round robin scenario on ports 5001 and 5002. As you can see, we are defining servers with weights, on that weights, Nginx balance traffic. Now finally, we create Docker file for our Nginx container in which we are removing default config file and copying our config file. Coming back to our main working directory, we create our final Docker Compose file. In Docker Compose, we are building images from our Docker files and exposing our apps on ports 5000 and Nginx on port 80. Run the Docker Compose file with Docker Compose command, which will pull and build our app images and run the app1, app2, and Nginx containers. So guys, as you can see, all three containers are running, so we can access our app in browser and test the load balancing by refreshing the page.